Hey there, it's Steve Dooley, your local Tucson real estate expert, coming at you today with a home tour of this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located on the northwest side of town, sitting right at the base of the Catalina Mountains at Pusch Ridge. So let's go take a look. This condo's views are right here, looking at the Pusch Ridge, right at the end of the Catalina Mountain Range, right off of Oracle Road, and just give you an overview of the kind of the complex here. This is the building and the parking lot and everything. Let's go inside and take a look at the interior. Okay, we're sitting here at unit number 203, which is the one we're looking at. These units, these condos do have covered parking, as you can see all across the side there. But we're gonna go in here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, like I mentioned, and 1,150 square feet, built in 1982. And this one is done really nicely, has been done with a full renovation. So they do have nice new carpeting, and tile. Being a second floor unit, we do have a nice great room with the fireplace and tall vaulted ceilings here, as you can see going in here. And that's right when you walk in. To the left we have like our master bedroom here, or bedroom number 1, however you want to call it. And you can see they did a really nice job, full renovation on this one, all modernized. Dual sinks, and actually a large walk-in closet, and walk-in shower and toilet area. Again, this place has had a full renovation. It's just looking out the door there. Have an extra closet space here, and then you have a kitchen area with the skylight in there. Not a huge kitchen, but I mean, for a condo, it's a really good size. It's open. You can easily have a couple people working in here. And then maybe like a formal dining area here and into your great room. And as we walk through here, they have upgraded this to like all double pane sliding glass door. And then it does have a balcony just facing to the south. You can see Oracle Road over there. And then you're gonna have your sunsets coming down here. It's about 4 p.m. right now. So you'll have a nice sunset here in the afternoon in a couple hours. Big picture window inside here. Lots of natural light. And then here is the second bedroom, a little bit smaller. This will be your guest bedroom. It does have a high vaulted ceiling. Again, a large window up at the top. And it has its own bathroom as well. A single sink. It's kind of a Jack and Jill. It has a door that goes through right there to the laundry. And this one has a shower tub. There. It's a stackable washer and dryer. And then this is back to the entrance. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Oh, let's see what's in this closet. I'm thinking this is going to be your heater and AC unit. Yep, hot water heater and heater. AC unit's probably on the roof. Really nice condo, and at this price point, I'm sure this one will sell quickly. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos in this series. Also, be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. You can learn more about Steve, and you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call so we can answer all of your real estate questions. So be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. I put a link in the comments below. You can just click it right below, whether you're on your phone or on the desktop. Super easy, and go check it out and schedule your call with us today. Thanks for watching.